Good morning, traders. I have been doing some trading this morning. Not been doing too good, but I just accidentally lost the video that I was recording. So I've started the video back up again. Try not to hit the delete button this time. And what I'm doing now is, well, the code 2 has changed today for this week, so I have to retrack it again. I've been getting chopped up in here, and I want to trade, lose trade, want to trade, lose trade. I can't get anywhere today, except for I did just win a good trade here on this break. Now I'm reevaluating it, and it looks like yes, I can see the code 2 now. So hold on a second, let me see if it's reached its range yet or not, and I'm gonna take another entry. I'll be right back. Okay, it has not reached its range. It's got a little ways to go. It's got about, well, it depends if it's tight yet today, but it probably won't be tight today. It'll probably go up the full range, even maybe higher. So that gives it a good 40 more ticks, possibly 50 more ticks from right here. So let's see if I can get a code 1 entry. The code 1 did just change. It's a lot better. There's a lot better on the change here. On the last code 1 was offset everywhere. Man, it was offset. So it was pretty tough. I was getting chopped. It was offset in this chop. They use the offsets in these chop areas. Oh man, it's like double whammy. Anyway, I'm looking for a code 1 entry. It should be good. I'm gonna take it. It's probably gonna be long. Code 2 is long, and it's got about 40 ticks to go from right here, 50 ticks even, possibly more. Be right back. Okay, it's moving up into the, it's not giving me an entry here yet. I hope it doesn't go too high. Stop going up. Oh. See, I'm waiting for a precision level code 1 entry here. Standby. Okay, I have gotten a code 1 short entry. Let's see if I can get a few ticks from this. I'm only looking for about maybe 10, 15 ticks from this, because the code, let's say 10 ticks, because the code 2 is to go long, not short. So, and it hasn't reached its range yet, so it should go up more. This is just a little quickie right here to get a quick 10 ticks, hopefully off of a code 1 short entry. Be right back. Okay, limit has been set. Standby. Limit order has been set at 43.02 for just a quick 10 ticks. Be right back. Hopefully it'll get me out before it reverses and goes back the other way, because it's going to go up, because it's a code 2 is to go long. So what I'm hoping it will do is come down, get me out for the 10, right? And then turn around and give me a long entry at some point to go long. I'm going to take the first long entry I get. And then boom, going back long again. Because code 2 is to go long. It's not reached its range yet. So this is somewhat of a dangerous trade right here. Let me go calculate the stop and place it. Be right back. Okay, and this is actually a big stop too, which I don't like. 43.23 on the stop. It's 11 ticks. I don't really, 10 tick on the exit, 11 tick on the stop. That's not good. I'm going to get out of this trade. Okay, I have just exited this trade. It's not a good mathematical trade. First of all, I took a short position. Code 2 says it's going to go long. Not a good idea to begin with. Second of all, the stop was 11 ticks, and the profit is only 10 ticks. That's not good math. You always want to have 1-to-1 or better. And this is not good mathematics. So what I'm doing now is I'm looking for a code 1 long entry, which is what I should have done to begin with. Just be patient and wait to go into the code 2 trade. Code 2 is to go long. Again, it has not reached its range yet. It should go higher. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm looking for a code 1 entry. Stand by. Should have held on to that last short. It did make it to my 10 ticks. Okay, see if I can get a long entry here. See what it's going to do. This thing is really choppy. Up and down, up and down. Okay, I've just taken a long position here. It's a code 1 long entry. I'll be right back on the set of stop. Okay, I've got the stop placed at 42.97, so that is 12 ticks. Okay, you should just take off and go. Remember, code 2 is to go long, and I just took a code 1 long entry into the code 2. This is how you do it. Okay, I'll be right back. It's rolling over here. Looks like it's going to come down and get me. This is what it's been doing to me all day today. It's crazy. It's a crazy day today. It's tough. Real tough day. It's too shallow, too tight, too slow. And the code it's just, it's not a good day. It's too slow. And it really needs to open up. I guess we're just in the wrong month. August. Alright, I'm gonna get a signal here. Let's see what this thing says. Okay, we have another code 1 long signal. So that makes 2 of them right next to the top here. So it should go up and break that top, no problem now. And go higher. Plus, remember I said the code 2 is to go long. So that's the perfect setup. 2 code 1 long entries right next to the top with a code 2 backing it up to go long. It's just going to go up now. So now I just need to know where my exit's going to be, which I sort of know. I'm basically going to take it up to, I'm going to try to shoot for 60. So that'll give me 51 ticks. 51 tick trade. Hit it at 43.60 on the exit. I'll be right back. Okay, this thing is so slow and tight today that I have set the exit on this to 43.50, which is fairly conservative. That would be like 90. I should do 10 more ticks down actually. Just go for 40. I'll give it a little more time, see if it wants to take a break here and really move up and shoot up. But I'll just take the 50. It's just going to be a small trade today. It's not been an easy day, and I didn't know what the code 2 was. They've changed it, so I've got to track it now. And it's by tracking it that I can nail it. And today they definitely changed it. So anyway, tomorrow I'll come out and nail it. And today, I just had it wrong, that's all. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, I have reversed position here because we have a code 1 short entry. I'm just going to go for a quick 10 ticks. I'll place the stop and the exit. Be right back. Okay, I've got the exit at 42.99 for 10 ticks, and I've got the stop at 43.16 for 7 tick stop. Math is better now. Okay, I'll be right back. And also, the code 2 is still to go long, so I'm looking for a long entry. I'm going to take another long entry here and go with it. But right now, it wants to give another short, so let's see if I can grab 10 ticks out of it. Last time I gave up on it, could have had the 10 ticks. As you can see, it's tough trading today. It's very tight, very choppy, very slow. It's not at all an easy day today. In fact, I'm about ready just to give up on it today and just call it a day for trading because it's just too slow. Seriously, it's August, it's summer, it's just too slow right now. It needs to open up a bit more, which you could start doing at any time, but today is not the day to do it. That's for sure. Be right back. Okay, I just exited that trade. It's just too choppy and it's not getting any range anywhere. I'm probably going to take another trade here shortly, but maybe not. It's just too slow. And the code 2, let me see here. It's possible even the code 2's range is just going to be tight. And that's going to be it. If that's the case, it's not going to do much. You know, it's just really tight. I've been trading now for a while. I'm still down. I can't get anywhere. It's just, it's no good today. It's not good. I think I'm just gonna call it a bad day today and just stop trading. And hopefully tomorrow will be better because it's atrocious out there today. At least tomorrow I'm gonna know what the code 2 is. I can come out and nail the entry at least. Whereas today they definitely changed it. I got the entry wrong. That's one of the reasons why I'm down. Anyway, I'm going to watch it for a little while longer. I might take an entry. If not, I'll just come back and wrap it up and call it a day. That's most likely what I'm going to do. Just call it a day. Too slow for me. See how slow it's trading? I'll be back. Okay, just wanted to come back really quick and show that I am done trading for the day. I'm going to wrap it up. And I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading. I'll hit the code 2 tomorrow. Do the tracking later today in the charting service. And I'll know what the code 2 will be. And then I'll be able to, should be able to nail it tomorrow like I normally can. And hopefully this market's going to open up some today. Actually, it's not. No, it is bad. The range is really bad today. And it's just choppy and slow. It's just not a good day for trading. I mean, the code is okay. It's just really, really tight. But it's working. It's just really tight. I mean, I could be trading it, but it's also a bit offset here and there. It's tricky today. It's not a good day, and therefore I'm just going to call it a bad day, call it a losing day, and I'll move on to tomorrow. Got to learn how to do that as a trader. Don't want to push bad days. There's no reason for it. Give you a different perspective on where we are. This is the daily chart. Look at where we are. A line going up, a line going down, and we're sitting right in the middle of those two lines. You know, I mean, we're just sitting on a fence here, chopping up and down. We're not going a green bar going up. We're not doing a red bar going down. We're chopping up and down in the middle here. And it's tough. It's tough. So it's just not a good day today. Simple as that. Not every day can be a good day to trade. Anyway, so I'll do the charting service in a little while later today. We'll have it tracked. We'll nail it tomorrow. And hopefully it'll pick up. I doubt it's going to stay like this for much longer. It'll start to pick up, or at least one day will be active and hit the ticks. The next day be slow. But at least that. Today is really slow, so hopefully tomorrow will be more active. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow. Happy trading out there, traders. Hope you did better than me today. See you tomorrow.